How to download WeCash app on Android device. Are you guys facing issues to download WeCash app on Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To download WeCash app on your Android device, first of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now just simply click on search bar which you can see at the top of the screen. Tap on it and search for WeCash. As soon as you click on it, you can see this option WeCash on money and rewards. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for install. You are looking to install it, right? Tap on install. As soon as you click on install, the app will start to download. It will take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. As soon as it gets downloaded, it will be available on your home screen. So as you guys can see, it's installing on our device. Once it gets installed, it will appear on your mobile home screen and just simply tap on open. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna download WeCash app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.